Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Anand Desai and I am here attending the Swara Homeo Gurukul at Ratnagiri, Devruk, and all the participants from all over the India are here. So we can see that how they experience and how they learn here at the Swara Homeo Gurukul.
So the feeling at Gurukul is actually holistic, just like how homeopathy is.
The Gurukul is sculpting and refining us.
Gurukul is a place feels like I got my second womb to nurturing me in as a person and in professional growth on here. Thank you.
Gurukul for me is my heart. It gives me the impulse.
Gurukul is a golden place to grow.
Gurukul for me is a peace, learning and beauty of nature.
Gurukul is the beautiful, amazing and safest place for us.
Studying with nature's lab.
Swara Gurukul is lentil of my darkness.
Swara Homeo Gurukul is my family.
I can say it's everything in one package.
I came here for an experiment and I have a good experience.
In Swara Gurukul, crystal clear explanation I learn, and also the rejuvenating experience.
Swara Gurukul is one place to learn homeopathy completely.
எல்லா மொழி மக்களுக்கும் இந்த ஆணிமன் மருத்துவம் போய் சேரணும்னு சார் நடத்துகிறாருங்க. நன்றிங்க.
Swara Homeo Gurukul is a place of holistic spiritual homeopathic learning for me.
It is wow experience.
Swara Gurukul entirely different from others because it is not only teaches homeopathy but also guided may more things whichever whenever always helps in their life.
Growth, development, more polished and more skillful practice. I would say learn homeopathy, love homeopathy, human beings, nature and evolve.
In Swara Gurukul, we will get fantastic learning experience of homeopathy in natural space.
Yes, so this is what we have, the lesson from the participant across the India. So it is my sincere request to all the students of the homeopathy, please come at the Devruk, Ratnagiri. So next workshop will be on the September 22nd to 28th. So please learn here, grow here and practice homeopathy. Jai Hind, Jai Homeopathy.